I know some that's lying. Woo, woo, woo.
Welcome, everybody, to the day we've all been looking forward to. The start of a new NBA season on 2K Sports. Alongside Doris Burke and Greg Anthony, this is Kevin Harlan. And on the sidelines, Hall of Famer David Aldridge. We'll see Seattle taking on the Boston Celtics. Let's check out Seattle's starting lineup. Hayward out there with Horford. Then there's Bradley Beal. Then there's Davis.
And that's the kind of game they want to play tonight. I don't know if he's trying to show off with the crowd or what. There's no reason for that kind of shot.
Doris, what we appreciate about the Celtics, typically they take good shots, like in the regular season. Has to be reflected there. Shot clock at 5. There's the triple. They get it back. Davis looking for an opening. Shoots over White, and he drops it in from the low post.
Good way to start this game. You want to get him rolling as early as possible.
Horford with the screen on Porzingis. Hayward passes to Davis. And there's the foul. It's on Jaylen Brown. That is his first foul of the game.
Personal foul. First team foul.
And here in the first, approaching 3 minutes played, Horford sets a screen for Davis. Passes to Horford. Just 5 on the clock. And Davis puts it in.
Al Horford is such a tremendous passer as a big man. Wow, does he get work done offensively.
Brown feeling it out a bit. And here's Tatum for 3. The shot's good. Brown making the play.
Jason Tatum has built such consistency from beyond the arc. Doesn't matter if there's a contest or not.
Bounce pass, Davis. Horford takes to Beal. Outside, Davis. And they double up Davis. A shot by Hayward, wide open from beyond the arc, and then some.
Well, Gordon Hayward answering
and
back.
Brown now atop the key. Over Hayward. And it's Brown missing.
Well, if the defense gives him that shot next time, they could get burned. I think he's just a little bit out of rhythm.
And it's Beal in the corner. And another 3 for Seattle.
Well, the sweet shooting Bradley Beal gets to one of the best spots for three-point action, and that's the deep corner. Nicely done.
Now here's Brown. To the middle. And it's Porzingis that time on the assist by Brown.
Well, use the pick and going right to the cup. I love the aggressiveness.
Outside, Horford. Holiday against Davis. Doris, opening night. This is what we've all been waiting for.
Oh, Kevin, for the die-hard fans, that late.
Tatum, no good.
Boy, that's one he wishes he could have back, especially against soft defense.
Here's Turin. Count the bucket coming off a perfectly placed assist.
And their offense already.
Hayward passes to Davis. Pulls it from 20. The putback, he hangs in there and cashes in on the second chance points.
And not hard to see why they are giving up points on this run. Just too many good looks from in close.
Celtics trail Beal. Back to Davis. Shot clock at 6. Davis setting the pick for Beal. The basket good off the assist from Hayward. Beal's got his second basket of the night.
The ball.
To Porzingis. There's the dish to Brown. Unloads. Again, the Celtics good for 2.
Well, Porzingis does a nice job looking for the window to make his teammate better.
Still room to grow. David, thanks. Now here's Hayward. He kicks it to Davis. They set the pick. Second chance shot. And it goes for the 5th time in 10 shots for him this game. That doesn't go either for Davis.
No one near him on that one, and I'm not sure why he felt like he needed to fade away.
Here's Banton, and Davis sends it back. And Duran slams it in.
You gotta love his hustle, leaving the defense no time to react.
The finish in transition, nice and easy.
So the Celtics fall to a 3. Duran pulls it in. Duran's got 6 rebounds here tonight.
Just a solid performance on the interior. The rebounding has been off the charts.
Good. Beal's got the lead up to 12 now. The steal. Pass to Hauser. They could use a bucket. And Hayward with the block.
Well, this is where Gordon Hayward has turned himself into a dependable two-way player. How good is he?
He comes in for T.J. Warren. Seattle on defense. The 12-point lead, their biggest of the game. Davis against Holiday. Goes up and lays it nice and easy.
Well, if you leave some...
Good D by Holiday.
Boy, with his shot not falling right now, it might be time to look in a different direction. See if you can get your teammates started.
That's good, and the Seattle lead is cut down now to just 7 on the basket from Brown.
Now, Jaylen Brown gets his feet set in the catch and shoot and just drills it.
Seattle calls timeout. Seattle leading by 7. Davis with it. He's got 10. Outside, Beal. And that one falls, coming off of Davis's feed. Davis has got 3 assists in the game. Back to Brown. Porzingis with a screen on Hayward. And here's Brown outside. The shot by Holiday, no good. It's Davis on the wing. Guarded by Tatum. Outside, Beal. Horford sets a screen for Beal. Out to Hayward. 5 on the clock. 3-pointer. And again, Seattle with the triple.
Well, this is why it's important that Gordon Hayward continue to space the floor. When
Puts
he's
Hayward
hitting
with
from
it. They'll
distance...
bring it up for Seattle. 13-point lead. Picked by Horford. Here's Davis driving inside. And he banks in the layup. Davis has got 4 points now
more
in the quarter.
committed than ever to making the right play.
Some nice ball movement here by Seattle. Davis, the pass to Horford. There's the 3. And Davis with the basket on the assist by Horford. 15 points for them. Concludes the first half. Seattle leads by 13. And a chance now to send it over to David Aldridge, standing by courtside. David.
Welcome, everybody. The story at the half could be summed up as a dominating performance.
Well, they got a huge boost from the second unit. Those guys came from the bench firing. Really changed the complexion of this matchup.
That was one of their advantages coming in, though. They've got reserves who can be starters.
And switching things up just a bit, let's look ahead at the upcoming schedule.
You look at the Celtics. At this point, you got to take every team you're up against as a test. Asking yourself, what can we do better than last year? Happens for us, too. Kenny, you cook up any new approaches in the offseason?
Well, I'm going to reveal those, over time, not just all in one sitting. But you're right. There is an opportunity to stretch and experiment. See what's working and what isn't.
And that concludes halftime. Now time to send it over to Kevin Harlan as the game's about to resume.
And as we dive into the second half, we'll find out if the next 2 quarters are any different from the first 2. So far, it has been a runaway.
I don't know that you necessarily think of him as someone who's going to create for others, but boy, all night he's been willing to make the extra pass.
On the floor for Seattle, we've got Davis. Horford is out there with 9 rebounds now tonight.
Well, they've been better than good on the glass today, and there is a glaring discrepancy between these two teams in that area.
When you allow good scorers to get uncontested shots at the rim, no wonder you're losing.
To me, this has simply stated been a complete lack of defensive attention and focus all night long.
About 1 minute played here in the second half. Holiday against Davis. Outside, Beal. Back to Davis. Lock at 6. Driving the lane. It's good. That's 8 baskets for him now. 8 for 15 shooting. Around the pass to Porzingis. And it's Seattle with the rebound. Hayward's got his 4th rebound in this one. Davis. And Davis throws it down hard.
Well, you love the unselfishness of Gordon Hayward in that instance. You think of him as a scorer, but he's a terrific setup guy.
Talking about Bradley Beal, Greg, I feel like he doesn't get enough credit for his passing game.
You know, Kevin, he's really evolved as a playmaker over the years. Sure, we all know how talented a scorer and shooter he is, but Bradley...
Just 5 to shoot. And another basket for Seattle. 17 points in the game. Outside, Davis. Over Holiday. Here's Duran. And Duran slams it in. That gives him a double-double in this one. 10 points and 11 rebounds. Pulls it in. Here's Brown.
Just not much success when it comes to shooting.
Outside, Davis. Inside. And Duran slams it in.
Well, he's such a good athlete for a center. It's how he's able to succeed despite being one of the smallest 5s in the NBA.
Again, the miss by the Celtics. And it's Seattle with the ball. Just 4 points. That's all they've given up here in the second half. And Davis throws it down hard. Davis pulls it down.
Get in.
Davis has got his 6th rebound on the night. And the shot goes down. Davis has got 28 points for the game.
And with the lead, I like the strategy.
Trying to find Davis. He's got it now. Over Holiday. And another basket for Seattle.
As hot as he's been.
Boston, no good that time either.
No matter what looks they get, they just can't convert to stop this run.
And I think you can start to feel their frustration mounting. With every missed bucket, it becomes more and more desperate.
And everything is dropping for them. Terrific second half.
Now here is Davis. 32 points in the game. Horford with a screen on Holiday. Here's Davis, and finished off by Davis.
Making the most of the screen. That's how it's done.
And it's in the perfect spot, Greg. Horford with a screen on Holiday. And Davis, here we go. Shooting foul as the whistle blows. He'll shoot 2 free throws.
Second personal foul.
And let's take a moment here to get your guys' take on scoring so far for Seattle.
Guys, the D hasn't had an answer for the three-point shooting, which is why they continue to just fire away from deep.
Something else that they've had working for them is attacking the offensive glass. Boy, taking advantage and creating second chance points. Impressive.
The first free throw is good. And both free throws good for Davis.
Well, Kevin,
Here's
Jason
Brown.
Tatum said his quiet demeanor may belie his hunger to win for some people. He said, I feel like sometimes I come off so laid back that I don't know if people understand how much I invest into this game.
Separation,
How much
talent-wise, between teams that finish in that order of standing. And I'm curious to see, Kev, do we start to see more first-round upsets by favoring lower seeds that unlock every other aspect of his game? And that's significant, guys.
Here's Duran. Whistle blows. Bucket is good. He'll have a chance at the line to make it a three-point play.
Personal foul.
Well, yeah, he earned that one. I mean, taking the hit and still able to get that one to go down.
Duran. The line for one.
And the free throw, no good. And the NBA said expansion should wait until after the new CBA. Greg, that's done, so what new team?
I mean, Kevin, it seems like Seattle's been waiting forever. Professional teams have been crowding into Las Vegas, and don't sleep on Mexico City. A lot of potential fans south of the border.
And the replay demonstrating once again how aggressive that. And here's Tatum for three.
And the execution in their half-court offense has left a lot to be desired this half. Just way too much one-on-one and not nearly enough ball movement.
Well,
Takes a three. Seattle grabs the miss. Davis has got rebound number 9 now. What an effort here tonight. The three gets it to go from beyond the arc. Davis has got 5 points now.
Tatum with a decisive look there.
Davis, the pass to Duren. And he drops in the layup off the glass. Some nice ball movement here by Seattle. Right side, Davis. The shot from the low post is good. Davis has got 43 points.
Urge big payrolls.
Horford kicks to Beal. And here's Davis for three. Good. It's Beal picking up the assist. Beal's the pass to Horford. And here's Davis for three. And again, Seattle with the triple.
And the D has gotten a little bit laxed here.
Pass Davis.
Defending.
Outside, Horford. Outside, Davis. Again, what an avalanche!
And he's up to 52 points.
Hayward looking over the floor. They grab their own miss. Duren. And Duren slams it in.
Impossible to stop the putback when he's got that kind of position.
Agreed, Greg. Let him get his hands on it. To the middle. Stolen away. Here's Beal. That's in there. Davis with the assist.
The assist.
Davis has got his
He's been
8th assist.
strong. Unfortunately, they're still fighting an uphill battle.
And another one falls. He's been absolutely ridiculous in this game. With right now.
You get the
Porzingis is checked in for Luke Cornett. Brown comes in for Warren. Derek White's checked in for Delano Banton. And it's Drew Holiday in for Pritchard. And Greg, while the commissioner might not like player trade requests, Kevin Durant said it's great for the league for players to have that leverage. Where do you stand?
Well, I wouldn't go that far. The main thing is trying to keep those
Hachimura,
requests.
who brings up the ball for Seattle. And they double up Davis. Out left to the wing. Here's Duarte. Sinks the triple.
You know, we call that great recognition of the situation. He knew where...
Hachimura down low. White on him. Here's Duarte. And again, Seattle with the triple.
Well, guys, this was never really a contest. Just a total obliteration, if you will. And you can safely say mission accomplished now for Seattle.
You don't see this kind of a blowout often, but tonight this is a quality win across the board to deliver out. So no problem for Seattle as they get the win. This one was over well before the final buzzer. The fans were waiting for something to get excited about, Greg, but they never got it.
They sure didn't. I mean, they just rolled to this win. They made it look really easy. What an efficient performance at both ends.
It's time now to go courtside as we send you over to David Aldridge from the sideline. David, take it away. It's the first game of the NBA season. For Greg Anthony, Doris Burke, and David Aldridge, this is Kevin Harlan saying thanks for tuning in. So long and good night, everyone.